Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're going to take leftover roast beef that we've had in the freezer and we're going to make roast beef sandwich meat. This is a recipe that my mother used a lot when we were growing up, so anytime she had extra roast beef, she would mix little onion, little horseradish, sweet relish. Vicky swears by Miracle Whip. And the reason is you need vinegar, she said, in this dish. Okay, so we don't want to chop this up too much. We want it to have some texture to it. We've got sun coming over today, and so we wanted to make sure we had enough stuff for him to have lunch. We love it when our boy comes over. We don't get to see him enough as it is. So I'm thinking, well, I don't want it too fine, but yet my family likes to know they're eating onions. I don't really like a farmer's cut in cheese or onions, but my family insists on it. They like bigger cut foods. And our roast beef, and yes, we're going to get another bowl. This bowl's just too low. Doggies in the kitchen. Come on, you two. We have Ruger and now Junie Bug in the kitchen. And they know better. Okay, so we gotta add some relish. Okay, so I don't really know how much of this she puts in, so I'm just going to put in a bit and some mayonnaise. I asked her if she put mustard in here, and she said no. So, but she did say we got to use the Miracle Whip because we need the vinegar. And with the horseradish, you know, that really makes roast beef have a better. Add some pepper. And some salt. I think I'm going to put a little more mayonnaise in here. I can taste the flavors. I can taste the onion. I can taste the horseradish and the vinegar from the Miracle Whip. That's really good. So now, let's make a sandwich. Have some lunch. Now, I suppose you could put cheese on your sandwich. I'm not going to because I'm not really that hungry. So I'm just going to have a simple sandwich. Cut it in half. And we have to have chippies with our sandwich. Okay. This is our roast beef sandwich. That is really good. Put lettuce on it, cheese, anything you want to. Gotta have a chippy with every bite. Huh. So that's what we're having for lunch today. Okay, folks. Well, thank you for stopping by. Have an enjoyable day. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.